At first double click and select these two images and press open. Pick lasso tool. Now select the face with lasso tool like this. Now go to edit and hit on copy. Go to next window and paste the copied face here. Hit Ctrl T for transform option. Hold Alt button and increase the face layer. Also adjust the face layer like this. Then press enter. Right click on layer thumbnail. Select pixels. Now go to select, modify, contract. Here set the contract by 15 pixels and press OK. Now unlock the bottom layer. Press delete key. Deselect the layer. Now hold Ctrl button and select both layers. Go to edit and choose auto blend layers. Here choose panorama and press OK. Now the time to see the final result. Let's test it on other images.